Welcome to the Montana Office of Public Instruction's Renewal Unit Provider System, also known as RUPS. As a new provider, we would like to take this time to demonstrate how to use the system. Upon logging in, you will find the following menu options: Home, Event List, Contact OPI, Administration, Tutorials, and Log Out. Home returns you to this web page. Event List is where you will record the renewal unit activities you wish to offer OPI renewal units for. Contact OPI allows you to email the OPI professional learning staff. Administration allows you to change your password. Tutorials takes you to our RUPS tutorial site, and Log Out allows you to log out. Today, we will demonstrate how to add renewal unit activities to the event list. Click Event List or List Event to get started. If your organization has already issued renewal unit certificates previously, you will see a list of renewal unit activities sorted from most recent to least recent. To add a new activity, press Add Event. You will be asked if your organization is the provider of this event. While all providers have to answer this question, schools and universities are the only organizations that are permitted to issue renewal unit certificates on behalf of non-approved providers. If My organization is not the provider of this event is chosen, you will see the Approved Providers directory. It is imperative that providers do not issue renewal unit certificates on behalf of other approved providers. You must then enter the title of the event, the instructor name, and a brief description of the event. This description could be from an agenda or other marketing materials for the event. From there, please select the event categories that match the event description. You may select more than one by pressing Ctrl on your keyboard. The start date and end date are required fields, and you are only allowed to enter a start and end date that falls within a 1-year window. Next, choose Online Event or enter the city, zip code, and state the event is to take place in. The hours of instruction are meant to be whole numbers. For example, an event that lasts 1.5 hours should be rounded to 1 hour, and an event that lasts 1.75 hours should be rounded to 2 hours. The hours of instruction become the number of renewal units issued for the event. Once you save, you will be taken back to the event list. You should then press Print Certificate and follow the directions on the back of the certificate regarding how to issue the certificate to licensed Montana educators. You can provide the certificate digitally to participants. It is important to keep a list of attendees for 5 years after the event has ended. This information may be used in the event of an audit, and you may be requested to reproduce the attendee list at any time. Once the event end date has passed, please return to RUPS to record the number of certificates you issued. You can record them by visiting the events list, locating the event, and pressing Edit. If you did not issue any certificates, you must still return to the system and enter 0 certificates. Thank you for your dedication to Montana educators and their professional learning.